Like this video and subscribe for more Amazon secrets revealed. Today, we're diving into the Vitamix 360119 Quiet One Blender, a professional-grade blender designed for cafes, smoothie shops, and serious home users who want power without all the noise. The Quiet One comes with a 48 Oz container, powerful motor, and a sound enclosure that significantly reduces blending noise. Users love how it makes smoothies, frappes, and frozen drinks incredibly smooth and consistent, all while being much quieter than traditional commercial blenders. Positive feedback highlights. Cafe owners say it's durable and reliable even with heavy daily use. The noise reduction really stands out, especially in busy environments. It delivers consistent, high-quality blends every time. But some negatives worth noting. The price point is high, making it an investment mainly for professionals. A few users mentioned that cleaning can be tricky with the sound enclosure. On Amazon, the Vitamix Quiet One holds a strong 4.6-star rating, showing that most buyers are extremely satisfied with its performance and quiet operation. If you're looking for professional blending power with less noise, the Vitamix Quiet One might be the right fit. Click the link in the description for a special discounted price. And don't forget, like this video and subscribe for more Amazon secrets revealed.